Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gratis haul for you, and if you're not familiar, basically gratis is free product you get typically when you work in the beauty industry especially, and I work at Sephora, so I do get some products that are meant to be educational for you so you can use the product, talk about it. And it is a really great perk of working at Sephora, but it's meant for you to really learn about the products and be able to share with clients. So without further ado, let's just jump in. This has been piling up for maybe the past month and a half, maybe 2 months. Mr. Menders is here with us. Let's get to it. All right, I think this is, no. So this is my older bag of products, and let me tell you that it's not like an insane amount in a short period of time, but I have gotten some of the best products ever in here, so I'm so excited. First off, I got this bag from Stila, which is just a makeup bag. It is like a brown glittery bag. I think I'm gonna put this aside and give it to someone. It's a good item to get. I just have so many, especially with getting Ipsy, you know, you're gonna get a lot of bags. Next, I got some of the Dr. Dennis Gross. They're the Alpha Beta Glow Pad. These are a self-tanner for face. So I'm really excited. I got a bunch of these. I just don't have the box, but I got a ton. So these are gonna come in handy when I'm ready to start self-tanning, and I don't always self-tan, but in the spring and especially in the summer, you know, I want that warm glow to the skin, but I'm not really into real sun or tanning beds or anything like that that's going to damage my skin. So I'll probably do like a self-tanner on the body and then use those for face. They also exfoliate your skin. I got the Makeup Forever HD. This is in Y205. I don't think I have like a perfect color in Makeup Forever, but this is the HD one. I honestly have not been as impressed with this foundation as other people are. Some people are like, oh my god, it's holy grail status. For me, it's good, don't get me wrong, but I actually like their other foundations a little bit better. Skincare has been amazing. First off, I got the Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I'm so excited to have this. I have tried it in store just on my hand and felt it. It feels so amazing. It's got such a nice texture. It's good ingredients, so so excited to have that one. Also from Dr. Dennis Gross, I got some of the Stress Rescue Super Serum and Stress Repair Face Cream. God, I could not get that out. I also got a little guy of the Stress Sos Eye Cream. So this is a whole collection that they've come out with that is for your skin to kind of be able to handle stress. Stress can do a lot to your skin, like dryness, redness, irritation, and a lot of people think they have super sensitive skin, but your skin might just be like stressed out, and that's from, you know, stress in your life, the environment, sun damage, chemicals that you're putting on your skin. There's so much that can disrupt your skin's health. So I'm really excited to try these. I know that I see a big difference when I'm getting really stressed or anxious. My skin suffers. I can see that. Lately my skin has been doing good, but you know, it's always going to come a time where you're like, okay, I'm too stressed out right now. My skin's not behaving, and that's when I'm going to reach for those products. Okay, I've been hooked up with Dr. Dennis Gross. I got the C+ Collagen Deep Cream. I cannot wait to use this. I will probably use this more as a nighttime cream because it is more rich. It's luxurious. Very excited to try it though. And then I also got a couple of the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peels. These you can use every single day, and they're a nice chemical exfoliation. Love those. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This is supposed to be long wear, and it's supposed to grip your makeup in place. And with any of these products, but especially this one, if you want to see these in action in a video, let me know. And you know, do you want to see a review? Do you want to see it in a face full of impressions? Do you just want to know what I think about it? Let me know your thoughts, but always excited to get some stuff from Urban Decay. I got 2 Sephora Collection brushes. I got the Pro Sculpting Blush. I'm really excited to have this one because it is so nice. And then I also got the Pro Precision Concealer. So both of these are definitely going to come in handy. Wow, these are like Fort Knox packaging. So these are the 2 brushes that I got. I think they look super nice. They are such nice brushes. I reach for my Sephora Collection Pro brushes all the time, but I especially like the sculpting blush because you really have a lot of precision, but it's also fluffy. I have another brush for blush that is just, it's a little bit too formed, almost like square, like a rounded square. This one you have a lot more like flexibility with it, but it's also small enough to have the control. So I think this is going to be great. Both of these brushes look awesome. I got a little Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. It's 0.3 ounces, but for an eye cream, that's pretty good. I will definitely be able to try this long enough to see if I will really like it. I really hate that I missed out on the Pharmacy, the Cherry Clean, like the green clean makeup remover. They had the cherry one and it smelled so good. I would literally go like smell it But man, it is so nice. And then from Peter Thomas Roth, I'm really excited about these. These are the Vital E Microbiome Age Defense Cream and Eye Cream. And loving the packaging. These are supposed to be really great for environmental stressors, anything that is damaging your skin. I think they're good for blue light too. Yes, anti-aging, blue light, environmental defense, and anti-pollution. So I'm so excited to try these out. Like, I am obviously on my phone and computer all the time, so this would be a really nice thing to incorporate into my routine and see, you know, if it's protecting my skin a little bit more. I got a mini Stila liquid lipstick in Bachi. So this is actually a really, really pretty color. I'll have to see if mine is dry or not, if I need to add that to my collection. I got the Huda Beauty Life Liner in Very Vanta. Okay, Extreme Black. I don't know how I feel about this liner. One side has like a little twist up pencil, and then the other side is a dip liner, but I just feel like this applicator does not give you a ton of precision, and I've heard that from other people too. The formula is really nice, it seems, but other people are saying that they're not able to create like a really fine wing, which is what I kind of like, so we're gonna try it, we're gonna see. I also got from Hourglass their Vanish Concealer. I got the shade Birch. The only thing about Hourglass complexion is they do tend to run very yellow, and I am pretty cool complected. Like, I can probably make it work, but my preference would be for something that was a little closer to my skin tone, at least neutral, but their shades tend to be pretty yellow and golden. I did get from Hourglass as well the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. I got the shade Reflect. This is really, really pretty. So they are kind of like in the pot. If you've used any of the Tarte ones, they have like pressed glitters. They're really, okay. So I took the little stopper out and all the eyeshadow came out with it. This is supposed to keep it from getting too dried out. Ooh, I think I can separate it. Okay, so I was able to kind of just like pack it back down in there, but as you can see, it kind of took a little bit of it with it. It's a tricky formula for sure. Okay. I took a little bit off the little stopper so I could swatch it for you because they are really pretty. So if you want something glittery on the eye, but not like super chunky glitter like I have on right now, then that would be a really good way to go. Moving on to the next bag. I think this is my more recent one. So I did get the Fenty Beauty Mascara. This is the Full Frontal. As you guys know, I'm not usually super excited for mascaras because I just get so many. It's the one thing we always get. If there's a new mascara, it's like, here, mascara, mascara. Usually I'm not excited, but I am kind of excited to see how that one goes, so I may have to give that a try. I also got the Drunk Elephant. This is the F-Balm from Drunk Elephant. I'm really excited to try this one out. I felt of it and it seems really nice, especially for nighttime, to kind of like rehydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep, and I feel like it would be really great after like a chemical peel too. So excited for that. I got from Sephora collection, this is the Firming Sleeping Cream. This is a clean brand as well, so if you are shopping for skincare on a budget, the Sephora collection line has good ingredients as well. I got from Murad the Resurgent Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. I am getting so much Murad. You know, I got a few things that they sent me, and then I also got it from Grande, so love, love, love that because I do love my Murad products. This one I'm so excited about. I got from Glow Recipe the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Hello, Sally. It's Kat today. This feels so nice. I love the texture of it. So I'll tell you, I tried this out in store. I actually had no makeup on, so I used a micellar water and then tried this out. And at first I was like, what's going on? Because it seemed to kind of want to like lay onto the skin. But after about 5 minutes, my skin had like absorbed it all the way in. And it was weird, but my skin felt so amazing afterwards. So if you try this at first and you're like, I don't think this is gonna work, it's not absorbing, give it time, because it was so, so nice afterwards. My skin felt so amazing. All right, this I have fallen in love with. I got the St. Jane Luxury Beauty Serum. This is 150 milligrams of CBD. So it's a little guy, and I hate this because I am now obsessed with this oil. I've been putting it on my hands, my face. It's such a nice, luxurious oil. The packaging is really, really pretty, and the bigger bottle is very sleek as well. So this is 0.3 ounces. I want the big bottle, but it is like $125. So I'm just happy to have gotten the little guy, but I love it. I always seem to want the most expensive skincare, and it's just so good. From Biosense, I got the Squalene Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. I am very excited to try this one out. It's going to be good for exfoliation, and the squalene will still help to hydrate your skin so it won't over dry you. And lactic acid is pretty gentle, but it'll give you a good nighttime exfoliation. I also got from Lord Jones the 500 milligram CBD. Wow. It's funny because this one is way more expensive, but the Lord Jones has much more CBD and it's a little bit more affordable. It's still pricey, but this is a stronger CBD, so I'll definitely compare the two. I'm getting spoiled by Grande in multiple directions, and it is my favorite thing ever. So I actually got the Grande Lash and Grande Brow. So I am so excited. I will tell you too, what I've been doing is I'll use my Grande Lash on my lash line, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'll put it like in the front of my brow, because my brow there is like naked, there's like nothing there, and I can see little hairs start to sprout up in that area, and I'm like, please keep going. So I'm excited to see how the Grande Brow works since it's made for that area. I also got from IT Cosmetics, this is one of their, I think it's Pillow something, Pillow Lips, Pillow Talk, but this is the shade Humble in the matte formula. The top is different, it's a little bit bulky, but it's really pretty. And then this is the shade Humble. It is a beautiful natural lipstick. It's a little bit like brownie pinky nude. It's really pretty, and the matte doesn't feel super dry. So if you have drier lips but you want a matte finish, definitely check those out. Oh, I also got a little Grande pen. Let me show you guys because it's cute. It's a pen and it's a little Grande lash. Look how cute. And then also in this bag is from Smashbox. I love this little, it's like a little bubble mailer. The zipper's just like sliding on there, but it's not open. I was just saying how much I love this bag, and now I can't get the thing open. All right, I pried it open. So this is from Smashbox. This is their new Mindful 5. It's a nourishing face primer serum. So this has cannabis, primer oil complex, algae, green tea, and prebiotics too. So I feel like this is going to be really great because my skin tends to get really red, sometimes dry and irritated. So I cannot wait to try this. I really like their primerizer and their primer oil. Those are favorites of mine. We're down to just a couple more products. So I got a couple things from Glam Glow, and I got one of my favorites in a jumbo size. So I'm so excited. I got the Super Mud. This is a 3.5 ounce. This is a 3.5 ounce bottle of the Super Mud. Amazing for pores, breakouts, texture. It does so much for me. It's got a 6 acid blend, which is, you know, it's powerful enough to be really effective, but it doesn't over dry or irritate my skin. So I love that one. And then I got something new from them in the cutest little bag. So this is their Super Mattify 6 Acid Clarifying Primer. So apparently this is getting a little bit of a bad rap, but I don't know why. I tried it out in store. I think it's really nice, but it is like a cushion primer. It's got a little scoop here, and here is where the primer is inside. So I've actually tried this on bare skin on like my nose area, and it mattifies, but it doesn't dry. It also really blurred and smoothed out the pores. So I really like it. And I got a brush for my mask. Finally, I got one more thing from Smashbox. This is their Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick, and I got the shade Stepping Out. And this formula is really crazy. Like, it feels so creamy at first, and then it's the most comfortable matte that I have worn. I already love their liquid lipstick, but this formula of lipstick is so unique, and you just want to make sure you keep the cap on good because they will dry out, but the formula is so nice. I encourage you, if you're in a Sephora, clean it with some alcohol, try it on as long as the cap has been on it, and see, because this formula is so nice. It's really long wearing but so comfortable. So that is everything that I've been getting in my Gratis lately. Let me know if there are any products that you definitely want to see me try out in a video, or maybe just give you my thoughts later on in a vlog or whatever. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. There is also about a week or so to enter both of my giveaways, one on Instagram and one on YouTube, and it's some good stuff too. So be sure to enter, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!